it's that time of the year again when boys and girls champs take over Jamaica. We shall all be faithfully consumed with every race, every jump, and every throw as champs builds towards that world-famous Saturday crescendo. And you all realize that again, the biggest buzz and the highest level of anticipation surrounds the girls' Class 1 sprints, the 100 and the 200 meters, expected to involve the Clayton twins from Edwin Allen, Tina and Tia, and of course, Brianna Liston from Hydel. Already the mind games have started, with the Edwin Allen camp announcing that neither Tina nor Tia will contest the 200 meters because Edwin Allen has so much depth. Really no, it has nothing to do with avoiding the red hot Brianna Liston, who is expected to run the sprint double. Anyway, as is the case with senior Jamaican sprinting nowadays, we're discussing the rivalry, the depth, and the quality of the girls, with no such luxury on the boys' side. Yes, there is Brian Level and DeAndre Daly, who beat him at Carifta, but that was an anomaly. That will be settled at champs. Is the girl them race or the big race? Yes. So you what you do? Give the girl them the space. Give them the space. Give them the space. Give the girl them the space. Give them the space.